Welcome back to our channel. Today we're counting down the top 7 lightweight motorcycles perfect for beginners in 2025. Whether you're just starting out or looking for a smooth, easy-to-handle bike, this list has something for you. Stick around, our number 1 pick might surprise you. Number 7. Kawasaki Z400. The Kawasaki Z400 remains a top choice for beginner riders in 2025 due to its perfect balance of power, weight, and ease of use. It features a 399cc parallel twin engine that produces a smooth 45 horsepower, giving riders enough power for city streets and open roads without being overwhelming. The bike weighs approximately 366 pounds, making it lightweight and highly maneuverable, ideal for new riders learning to handle a motorcycle confidently. For 2025, Kawasaki updated the Z400 with sharper styling, including a redesigned LED headlight and a new digital instrument cluster that offers clear visibility and useful ride information. The suspension is tuned for a comfortable yet responsive ride, helping beginners feel in control over uneven surfaces and turns. The seat height is 30.9 inches, which may be a bit tall for shorter riders but works well for most adults. The upright riding position provides comfort during longer rides and city commuting alike. Kawasaki's reputation for reliability and a strong dealer network in both the United States and Europe makes servicing and support easy to access. The Z400 is perfect for new riders who want a lightweight, manageable bike that can grow with their skills. However, absolute beginners who are shorter in stature might find the throttle response a little sharp and may prefer something with a lower seat height. Number 6. Yamaha YZFR3. The Yamaha YZFR3 remains a favorite lightweight sport bike for beginners in 2025, offering a blend of approachable power and sleek styling. Its 321cc parallel twin engine produces around 42 horsepower, delivering smooth and manageable acceleration that helps new riders build confidence. Weighing about 373 pounds, the R3 is light enough to be nimble in city traffic and twisty roads while remaining stable at highway speeds. The 2025 model features updated aerodynamics with sharper fairings that improve airflow and a new digital LCD dashboard that clearly displays speed, gear position, and fuel level, making it easier for beginners to stay informed while riding. The suspension strikes a good balance between comfort and sporty handling, and the front and rear disc brakes offer strong stopping power, with optional ABS to enhance safety. The riding position is sport-oriented, which may feel aggressive for some beginners, but also teaches proper sport bike posture early on. The seat height is 30.7 inches, suitable for most riders, though shorter riders may find it slightly tall. The YZFR3 is ideal for learners who want a sporty ride and plan to advance their skills toward more aggressive riding styles. However, those seeking a more relaxed, upright posture or casual cruising experience may want to consider other options. Number 5. Honda CB500F. The Honda CB500F is an excellent choice for beginner riders in 2025 who want a versatile, user-friendly motorcycle that balances performance and comfort. It is powered by a reliable 471cc parallel twin engine that delivers around 47 horsepower, with smooth and predictable throttle response, making it easy to control for new riders. Weighing approximately 416 pounds, the CB500F is slightly heavier than some lightweight bikes, but offers excellent stability and confidence on the road, especially at higher speeds and during longer rides. For 2025, Honda has updated the CB500F with a sharp new LED headlight and a full digital LCD display, improving visibility and making ride information easy to read in all lighting conditions. The suspension has been retuned for a softer, more comfortable ride, which helps absorb bumps and uneven road surfaces while maintaining precise handling. Its upright riding position with a seat height of 30.9 inches ensures comfort for riders of varying heights and reduces fatigue during longer commutes or weekend rides. The CB500F is perfect for beginners who want a motorcycle that can handle city streets, highways, and light touring without feeling too intimidating. While it may not offer the aggressive, sporty feel of smaller displacement sport bikes, it shines as a dependable and well-rounded motorcycle that grows with the rider's skills. Riders looking for a relaxed and practical ride will find the CB500F hard to beat. Number 4. Suzuki SV650. The Suzuki SV650 continues to be a popular choice for beginner riders in 2025 who are ready to step up to a slightly larger and more powerful motorcycle. It is equipped with a 645cc V twin engine that produces about 75 horsepower, delivering strong yet manageable performance. Thanks to Suzuki's smooth throttle mapping, power comes on predictably, which helps new riders build confidence without feeling overwhelmed. Weighing around 432 pounds, the SV650 is heavier than smaller lightweight bikes, but its well-balanced chassis and comfortable upright riding position make it easy to handle for most beginners. The 2025 model adds switchable traction control, enhancing safety by allowing riders to adjust traction settings based on road conditions. It also features a refined digital instrument panel that clearly displays important ride data. Suspension has been tuned for greater comfort, smoothing out rough pavement while maintaining sharp handling for spirited riding. The seat height of 30.9 inches fits most riders comfortably, but may feel a bit tall for shorter individuals. The SV650 suits beginner riders who want a motorcycle that offers room to grow in skill and power without being too intimidating. It is less ideal for absolute beginners or those seeking an ultra-lightweight bike, but for those ready to advance beyond entry-level motorcycles, the SV650 offers a perfect blend of power, control, and versatility. Number 3. KTM Duke 390. The KTM Duke 390 stands out in 2025 as an excellent lightweight motorcycle for beginners who want a bike with sharp styling and lively performance. It is powered by a 373cc single-cylinder engine that delivers around 44 horsepower, offering a quick and responsive throttle that feels exciting yet manageable for new riders. Weighing just 365 pounds, the Duke 390 is one of the lightest motorcycles in this category, making it exceptionally nimble and easy to control, especially in city traffic and twisty roads. The 2025 update brings several notable improvements, including a fully digital TFT display with smartphone connectivity, which adds modern convenience and helps riders stay connected safely while on the move. The bike also features upgraded LED lighting for better visibility and a refined suspension setup that improves ride comfort without sacrificing sharp handling. Its riding position is sporty but not overly aggressive, which allows for comfortable rides during both short trips and longer journeys. The seat height is 32.7 inches, which might be a little high for shorter riders, but is manageable for most adults. The KTM Duke 390 is ideal for confident beginners, or those ready to quickly advance their riding skills. It is less suited for those seeking a laid-back, relaxed ride, but its performance, lightweight feel, and cutting-edge features make it a thrilling choice for newcomers who want a stylish and capable motorcycle. Number 2. Honda Rebel 500. The Honda Rebel 500 remains a favorite lightweight cruiser for beginner riders in 2025, combining approachable power with classic style and comfort. Powered by a 471cc parallel twin engine that produces around 46 horsepower, the Rebel 500 offers smooth and manageable performance, perfect for new riders who want confidence without overwhelming power. Weighing approximately 408 pounds, it is light enough for easy handling in urban traffic, but still feels stable on highways and longer rides. For 2025, Honda has introduced subtle styling updates, including refreshed paint options and a redesigned LED headlight that enhances visibility and adds a modern touch to the bike's timeless cruiser look. The Rebel's low seat height of 27.2 inches is one of its biggest advantages, making it accessible to riders of almost all heights, especially those with shorter inseams who may struggle with taller motorcycles. The upright and relaxed riding position, along with mid-mounted foot controls, offer comfort during city commutes or weekend rides. The suspension is tuned for a smooth and forgiving ride, helping absorb bumps and improving overall rider confidence. The Honda Rebel 500 is ideal for beginner riders seeking a lightweight cruiser that looks great, handles easily, and provides a comfortable ride. However, riders looking for more aggressive sport bike performance or taller seat heights may want to explore other options. Number 1. Kawasaki Ninja 400. The Kawasaki Ninja 400 remains the top lightweight motorcycle for beginners in 2025, combining impressive performance, sharp styling, and user-friendly handling. Powered by a 399cc parallel twin engine that produces around 45 horsepower, it offers a perfect balance of power and control, making it ideal for riders who are new to motorcycling but want a bike that can grow with their skills. The Ninja 400 weighs approximately 366 pounds, which keeps it agile and easy to maneuver in city traffic or on winding roads. For 2025, Kawasaki has refined the Ninja 400 with updated styling featuring sharper bodywork and LED lighting that improves both aesthetics and visibility. The bike's fully digital instrument cluster now provides clearer ride information, including gear position and fuel consumption, helping beginners stay well informed on the road. The suspension is well tuned to offer a smooth yet responsive ride, while the seat height of 30.9 inches accommodates most riders comfortably. The riding position is sporty but not overly aggressive, allowing for both spirited riding and comfortable commutes. The Ninja 400's reliable engine, excellent handling, and strong dealer support across the United States and Europe make it a practical and exciting choice for new riders. However, absolute beginners who prefer an ultra-lightweight bike with a lower seat height may find it slightly tall and powerful at first. Overall, the Ninja 400 remains the best all-around beginner motorcycle for 2025. Thanks for watching. These 7 bikes are great choices for new riders ready to hit the road with confidence. Let us know which one you like best, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews.